In this video, we are going to learn about how you can add 3D layer parallax effect in WordPress Elementor without using any extra plugin. At first you need a section. In that section you need to add an intersection with 2 columns. Now add your image in any column. Adjust the size of image according to your need. Duplicate the image. Go to Advanced tab and make the position of the image absolute. You can duplicate that absolute image using this layer icon as much as you need in your page. At last, select the column of the image, go to its Advanced tab, scroll down to Custom CSS. Here, add this code. You will find this code in the description of this video. Once the code is added, you can adjust its distance or change the degree of rotation. And now publish the changes and preview it.